Guys, welcome to my channel 33 Maniac Rides. Today is not a normal motovlogging day guys. Today I am going to review Bajaj Dominar 400. Bajaj Dominar 400 has a triple spark 4-valve DTSI engine with a fuel injection and liquid cooling. So it has total 373cc of engine and which produces maximum power of 335 PS at 8000 rpm and maximum torque of 35 Nm at 6500 rpm. So this is the instrument cluster of Dominar 400 guys, and this is the kill switch and headlight on off switch and starter, and this side is the high beam low beam switch, horn and side indicator and passing light. Okay, and this is the 373cc engine, and yes, the headlamp is the main attraction to the many of the cruising bikers, because headlamp reflects over 1.5 kilometer. Yes, you heard it right, 1.5 kilometer guys. Yes, and it is a twin channel ABS. The rear wheel is 150/60 and the front wheel is 110/70. Guys, so I thought to test the Dominar in city first of all, so I can know the performance of the bike for daily commute in a heavy traffic. So guys, I can tell that the seating position is the best and the seat is fabulous guys. As compared to my bike Pulsar, I have shown it, the seat is very cushiony. It can help you for long rides and it will never make you tired. But the con of the bike is that it is way too heavy. Yes, it is 182 kg. It has 12 volt of battery, 157 mm ground clearance and 1453 mm of wheelbase. So while taking U-turn in this bike is very difficult because it is a long bike and it requires a long U-turn. So I will be taking it for a short run guys, and we will test how it performs at high speed guys. Yeah, enjoy the video guys. It performs well guys, and it sucks all the bump, and it will never feel any vibration or any bumps to you guys. Yes, yeah, it throws the power guys, as compared to my Pulsar S200. The Dominar 400 power delivery is the best guys. My choice would be Dominar 400 guys, in terms of power delivery, in terms of cushioning, in terms of long rides. So guys, that's for the day. If you have any doubt for the bike, you can ask me in the comment section below, and I hope you like the way I reviewed the bike. If any correction needed, please tell me in the comment box. Yeah. So guys, share my video, like my video and subscribe to my channel for more such reviews and moto vlogs.